We're gonna do unboxing video. I got this from the Target. Let's open it. Goes here. No, this goes. How it goes? And yeah, how it goes. Oh, there you go. Get this girl. And I have a great idea when I put this on. Goes here. This girl goes here. There's a knife. And there's a knife. There's a like small thingy. What's that there? Oh. How did I? Oh, let's just put it there. And this is a slicer or what? No, it's not a slicer. And put this layer right here. I can't. Okay, we got all 6 of Play-Doh. We have small Play-Doh. Just 3 cans of Play-Doh. White, green, orange, and big giant Play-Doh. Blue and purple. Then we need to use Rarity. We use her to get this Play-Doh for her main. We're gonna use a little bit of that. This is how it goes. You put that there. There, that's here. And is it how it goes? The other side too. And I really need blue, so for the tail, I really need blue for the tail. And you see this, right here, we're gonna put the, yeah, that's how it goes to the box. And I forgot my knife here. I just get my knife. I need to do some designs, like here, there, you see the little designs. Go. I don't know. Let's just use a little bit of this. We're gonna use a little bit of that Play-Doh. And then we're gonna There we go. And this is, wait,